Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to start with Java programming. So Java is a programming language if you guys didn't know, and it's a very popular programming language. So it wouldn't hurt if you would learn Java. So let's get started. So the first step you need to do in order to start with Java is to actually download Java. So I've added you with a link in description where you can click on and you can download Java. So the first step is to accept the license agreement and click on your respective operating system. So I own a Mac and I already have the file downloaded, so I'm going to wait for you to download the file. So once you're done downloading the file, we're going to go ahead and open it. So it's going to take some time to open. Then you're going to have to double click on the package, then click on continue, and it is going to say this will take 579.8 MB of space on your computer. Just click on install, and it's going to ask for your password, which I'm going to type in here. So I'm going to click on install software. Then we wait for it to install. So this part should be quite quick. So as you can see, the installation is completed and it says the installation was successful. So we're gonna hit on close. Then we're gonna close this tab, and I'm gonna make a quick spotlight search for a program called Netbeans. So if you guys don't know what Netbeans basically means, is that it's a environment where you can type your Java code in and it's going to execute the code. So the first time that you're going to start Netbeans, it might take a while, so please be patient. The first thing that we're going to do is close on any tab that's open. Then you're going to go into File, New Project, and always make sure that the in categories Java is selected, and in projects Java application is selected, and name your project anything you want. Actually, sorry, you don't name your project in here. Just click on next, and now you get to name your project, which I'm going to name it test. And there's pretty much let's uncheck this for now. I'm going to explain you why later, and click on finish. Now if you can see where I'm hovering my mouse, this tab is very important because it shows you your projects, files, and services. So we're going to go to files, and we're going to go into test, go into source, and right click on source, or you can just right click into test and go to new and a Java class, and we're going to name this test. And keep in mind that whatever that your project name is, it's just better if you name your class name that for now. So we're gonna hit on finish. You can just delete all of this. So here's our first file of Java. So once you're done creating the file, we're gonna go ahead and put in our first few lines of code. So in this video, I'm just gonna type, and I'm gonna tell you what to type, but the explanation of what I type will be in the next video, so you guys can just follow along for this one. So I'm gonna go public static void main string args in parentheses, and then I'm gonna open some curly brackets. Then I'm gonna type system dot out dot print ln open brackets, and I'm going to put in double quotes, and I'm going to say hello world. Now I'm going to go to run and click on run file. So as you can see, it says I do not have a main method, and the reason is because I misspelled main. Yeah, I'm quite known for misspelling things, so so yeah, let's just run the file. And as you can see, these are our first lines of code, and the computer is telling us hello world. So now that you're done typing in the first few lines of your code, congratulations, you're a coder. I'm just kidding. So now that you've put in some code, let's just change the look and feel of Netbeans. So I just don't like the look, it's so white. I like a darker method, like a darker theme. So let's just go ahead and do that. So go to Tools and go to Plugins. In Plugins, there's a tab called Available Plugins. Go in there and search for dark and click on dark look and feel themes, and you should also install it. So we're going to go ahead and click install, click on next, and accept the terms and license agreements, and click install, and then select the option restart IDE now and click on finish. Now Netbeans is going to restart, so we're going to wait for that to happen. So as you can see, it's starting. So yeah, okay, once that you have Netbeans restarted, as you can probably observe that the theme has changed. So I just like Netbeans in this way because it's a lot more easier to code. Once you start coding a lot, it's gonna a white theme is gonna strain your eyes. So that's it for today's video, guys. So in the next video, we're gonna look at different types of data types in Java. So make sure you stay tuned, and if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.